Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential component for keeping those home conversations flowing smoothly. The Panasonic HHR-75AAA B-4 9mAh rechargeable battery. This isn't just any battery, it's specifically designed as a high-quality replacement for Panasonic cordless telephones, ensuring your communication remains uninterrupted and crystal clear. One of the standout features of these batteries is their 9mAh, or nickel-metal hydride, cell composition. For users, this means a significant advantage over older battery types. 9mAh technology is renowned for its ability to be recharged hundreds of times without suffering from the dreaded memory effect. This ensures that the battery maintains its full capacity over its lifespan, providing consistent power delivery whether it's your first call of the day or your 10th. There's no need to fully discharge them before recharging, which adds a layer of convenience to daily use. Each battery boasts a robust 700 mAh, or mAh, capacity. What does this translate to in practical terms? It means extended talk times and longer standby periods for your cordless phone. Users will find their phones staying charged for longer, reducing the frequency of needing to dock them and minimizing those frustrating moments when a call drops because the battery unexpectedly died. This capacity is perfectly optimized for the power demands of most Panasonic cordless phone models, offering a reliable and sustained power source. The fact that these come in a pack of 2 is incredibly practical. Many households have multiple cordless handsets, and having a pair of fresh, high-performance batteries ready to go means you can revitalize 2 phones at once, or keep a spare on hand. It's an economical bulk package that provides excellent value, ensuring you're not left scrambling for a single replacement when another phone starts to falter. Perhaps the most compelling aspect for many Panasonic phone owners is the broad compatibility. These HHR-75AAA B-4 batteries are engineered to work for almost all Panasonic phones that utilize AAA batteries. This wide-ranging compatibility takes the guesswork out of finding the right replacement, making it a go-to choice for a vast majority of users looking to restore their phone's original performance. Whether an individual's phone is a few years old or a more recent model, if it takes AAA batteries, these are likely the perfect fit. Ultimately, for anyone experiencing diminishing battery life in their Panasonic cordless phone, or simply looking for a reliable upgrade, the Panasonic HHR-75AAA B-4 9mAh rechargeable battery offers an exceptional solution. It combines advanced 9mAh technology, a generous 700 mAh capacity, and broad compatibility in an economical 2-pack, delivering peace of mind and uninterrupted conversations. It's a small investment that makes a significant difference in the daily functionality of a household's communication hub.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.